Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Marumo Gallants 1. I'm joined by Mr. Velapi.
Sure, Stibo.
Yeah.
Steve Compella once said, a bird that sits on a tree for so long is inviting sikukuni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Yeah, it can only mean so the Kaizer Chiefs, they stay for so long on the top there.
Yeah.
And then they forgot that there is kukuni.
Kamutla Sabo.
Yeah. Your strength, it can only be proven when you face a solid structure.
Takaya how?
Takaya how.
Yeah.
So whatever they were cooking,
Yeah.
it's a sign that it's not ready yet.
It's burning.
Yeah, but coming to today's game, Stibo, Cardoso is the reason why this game was fumbling today.
Why?
Like, I'm so disappointed. Cardoso, he have got no excuse.
Yes.
He's unlike Nabi. Nabi, he can raise his hand and say, I don't have quality.
Yeah.
But Cardoso, he's got quality players, but he don't know how to use them.
Israel.
Because you are supposed to play Mudao and Morena. Like, you don't have to put Mudao on the bench and then you sub him with Morena can play number 2, can play number 3. And then you put them like this. And then that combination of 4 and 5 between Cubido and Koza, it's useless.
That's bad.
Yeah, this guy, he doesn't have a structure, Stibo.
Israel.
Yeah, he's just coaching, like he doesn't have a structure. He's unlike previous coaches. Those guys who were being sacked, I think sometimes he's like, what can I say? Nepotism can work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the sporting director of Sundowns, Flemingberg,
Yes.
yeah, he's favoring outsiders than local coaches.
Israel.
Sundowns was a good team while it was in the hands of local coaches.
Yeah.
And then for now, it's given Cardoso. Cardoso, yeah, we don't beg a Zela.
Yeah.
We don't compromise. We are unlike Kaizer Chiefs. We are not doctors. We don't have patience.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have patience. And then if you lose 2 games, you are supposed Stivo, why is the king? Sundowns ke team e leng hore re expect hore they should be playing a quality football.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke Barcelona ya mo South Africa. Yeah, ke Real Madrid ya mo South Africa. So now it's up to Standard Sellers or wo Marumo Gallants, they feel better like better teams now. No, you are not better team Marumo Gallants.
Yeah.
You are not better team Kaizer Chiefs. We are not in a good form. But the moment we get in a good form, I'm telling you, and if you are not supposed to beat us now, while we get our things together, they must forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, they must forget.
Never salute.
Yeah, so I just want to salute this guy who's coming from Orlando Pirates, who's playing to Marumo Gallants now. Ndlondo. Yeah, that guy is showing them that you throw away a chappies which is still have a taste.
Some sugar.
Yeah. Kena man of the match waka. Today he was proving himself.
Yeah.
And then for Sundowns, so I think Cardoso must go.
Kadosava.
Yeah, Cardoso must go because you've got quality, but he's failing to use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are not just supporting Sundowns only.
Yeah.
Yeah, we supporting this team because we are expecting the best.
Sure.
Shosho Stibo.
Thank you, Chaga.
Sharp.
Ukilo topa chip.